Yo guys, it was just my birthday and thanks to the uncle, we got this sick ass gift from the pro shop. Okay, so during editing, I realized it was not the pro shop, it was the Golfers Club. So I'll link it down below if any of you want to check it out, but I think without further ado, let's see what came in the box. Firstly, this dope ass chipping mat. And a nice rubberized tee that you actually generally only find at some of the more expensive driving ranges, so you know, fucking cop that bitch. A bunch of balls, you know, because you can never have too many balls. And last but not least, the actual chipping net. So the main reason we got this kit was so that this baby has a place to park. No, I'm kidding. But how sick is this little thing, eh? It's my new desk ornament. One day when I'm big, I'll have a green cart just like this thing. But yeah, anyway, back to the main reason why we got this kit was actually for this chipping mat. I want to be able to make some more videos at home, so I wanted a decent mat, and the larger ones retail for like 4 grand. This whole kit was only 1,000. As you can see, the mat's quite thick, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Very nice quality, and then it comes with about 12 of these firm foamy motherfuckers. So yeah, I think let's test it out, and I'm gonna judge me with you. So a little to the right, come on, a little left now, and we'll put it straight in. Okay, or we'll go a little left, so now a little more to the right, and we sink it, right? No, we'll go back to mistake number 1. Okay, we'll get there eventually. Let's see how this goes. I'm not sure what that was. Good thing there's 12 of them, eh? I wonder how long it'll take me to get 12 in a row. Don't hold me to the... Oh, fucking... Yes, baby. That one was so solid it counts as like 6, you know? So I think I might actually try and see if I can record at least 12 shots every night, and we see how long it takes for me to actually get 12 in a row. And hopefully by the time I get 12 in a row, we have a decent following and you guys can help me decide what to do to celebrate, you know? Maybe we even assign a monetary value to each hole. And until I get the 12, we build up funds and all of that cash goes to a nice NPO, or even better,